Namaskar, this is Sandeep Singh and you are watching Rebel News India. Let's have a look on today's top headlines, starting with Bihar and national news.
New COVID-19 cases are recorded in Bihar. Total number of COVID-19 cases reached to 3,275. Bihar Agriculture Department braces for locust attack. Tejasvi Yadav marched to Gopalganj fatted. The district administration did not allow the leader of opposition in Bihar Assembly Tejasvi Yadav to travel to Gopalganj as he demanded the arrest of JDU MLA Amrinder Pandey alias Pappu Pandey and accused in the case. Sushil Kumar Modi for redefining term migrant worker. Deputy CM said the Interstate Migrant Workmen Regulation and Employment and Condition of Service Act 1979 needs to be replaced with a new one and implemented strictly. Patna High Court dubs child's viral video shocking, unfortunate. Super specialty hospitals at Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga soon. Cabinet approves 809 crore rupees fund for COVID-19 fight in Bihar. Amit Shah meets PM Modi, briefs on CM's views on lockdown. Today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and informed him about the views of all chief ministers on extension of the ongoing nationwide lockdown beyond May 31st. All religious places in Bengal to open from June 1, says CM Mamata Banerjee. Former Chhattisgarh CM Ajit Jogi passes away at 74. Delhi riots probe targeted only towards one end, says court. Initial CBI probe launched against organizer of Delhi's Tablighi Jamaat event. High alert in some Himachal districts against probable locust attack. Actor Sonu Sood arranges flight to send 150 women labourers to Odisha from Kerala. Migrant worker returning to Bengal from Hyderabad on foot dies in Odisha. A 35-year-old migrant worker escapes from UP quarantine center, hangs self.
The news coming from international zone.
The US became the first country in the world to lose 1 lakh lives due to COVID-19 pandemic. Nobody knows how many people have died. It could be 50 or even more. Rohingya refugee crisis and the bodies were thrown out of the boat. Berlin Monument to honor 1989 democracy heroes who led a divided nation to reunification. Little remains of the Berlin Wall, but a new monument in the German capital will honor protesters who openly resist the communist state in 1989 and led the divided nation to reunification. China's parliament approves security law for the Hong Kong, which would make it a crime to undermine Beijing authority.
The news which is coming from sports and entertainment zone.
Cricket Australia chief explained decision not to schedule India test in Perth. Former Pakistan captain Waqar Younis decided to quit social media after his account was hacked and the hacker liked an obscene video from his Twitter account. Ben Stokes says never said India lost to England deliberately, terms ex-Pakistan cricketer Sikandar Bhatt claims as clickbait. Istanbul hopes to host new historic Champions League finale. Niketan Dheet crimes drama Raktanchal is a nod to 80s Bollywood. Sunil Lahiri says he was a bit disappointed when he found out Arvind Trivedi was playing Ravan's role in Ramanand Sagar Ramayana.
Jackie Sharaf posted pic by Pottersville and give life lesson on humility. माटी से पूछ आज सिकंदर कहाँ है?
At last, let's have a look on today's special report.
Since its inaugural launch in 1987, May 28th has been recognized as the International Day of Action for Women's Health by several governments, various international agencies, and multiple civil society organizations around the world. Latin American and Caribbean Women's Health Network and Women's Global Network for Reproductive Rights are working together to make this campaign successful. The main objective of the day is to raise awareness on the issues related to women's health and well-being, such as sexual and reproductive health and rights. It is the platform to remind everyone, especially the government leaders and parliamentarians, that the women's health matters.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.